In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what version of Microsoft PowerPoint you have. This is a quick and useful thing to know, especially if you're troubleshooting an issue, following a tutorial, or checking whether your version includes a specific feature. The good news is that PowerPoint makes this information easy to find once you know where to look. To get started, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. You can have a presentation open or just be on the main PowerPoint screen. Once PowerPoint is open, look toward the top left area of the window and click the File tab. This will take you away from the editing view and into PowerPoint's Backstage menu, where you can access settings, account details, and other app information. After you click File, a menu will appear along the left side of the screen. In that menu, click Account. This section is where Microsoft displays information related to your Office or Microsoft 365 installation, including licensing details and product information. If you don't immediately notice it, take a second to scan the left-hand menu carefully, since it may appear lower down, depending on your screen size or version of the app. Once you're in the Account section, look for the area labeled Product Information. In that section, you'll be able to see that's your version of PowerPoint you're currently using. This is the key area you need. Depending on your setup, you may see details such as whether you're using a Microsoft 365 version or another edition, along with version-related information beneath it. If you're trying to confirm compatibility with a file, add-in, or training guide, this is the information you'll want to reference. It can also be helpful if someone from tech support asks which version you have installed, since giving the exact version can make troubleshooting much faster. One helpful tip is to read the product information section carefully, because there may be multiple details shown there. If you need to share your version with someone, make sure you mention the version exactly as it appears in that section. And that's all it takes to check what version of Microsoft PowerPoint you have. Just open the File tab, go to Account, and then look under Product Information to find your version. It only takes a few seconds, and it's a helpful skill to know whenever you need to verify your software details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.